I am Seema Sharon of grade 7 and here I am going to explain about my project that is hemodialysis. What do you mean by hemodialysis? Hemodialysis means blood purifier. So I am here to explain about my project. In my project, the patient's artery of the hand is connected and it is connected by those tubes which you see, and those tubes are connected to this pump, and the pump is connected by the pump with circuit and the switch, and this is the dialyzer. The dialyzer connects through the pump and supports the patient so that the patient can feel energetic even when the blood is taken out of the body.
Hello everyone, this is YS Harshan from grade 6B. Today I am going to present my model, the hydraulic arm. The hydraulic arm is a device used for moving objects from one place to another using force created by the pressure on the liquid, which moves the pistons upward and downward, which allows the arm to move in all directions. Principle. It is based on the Pascal's law. It says that pressure change on an incompressible liquid in a confined space is spread equally throughout the liquid in all directions. Here, each piston has a different action. This piston allows the gripper of the arm to extract and contract. This piston allows the lower part of the arm to move upward and downward. This piston allows the upper part of the arm to move upward and downward. And finally, this piston allows the arm to move in sideward motion. Now, let me show you how it works. By pulling this syringe, we can see that it grabs onto the sponge. Now, by pulling this syringe, it goes up. Now, if I press this syringe, it goes in sideward motion. Now, finally, if we press it back all again, it removes the sponge. Now, let me tell you the other applications of Pascal's law that we can find around us. In construction sites, we can find hydraulic JCBs and hydraulic cranes. In modular houses, we can find hydraulic cabinets. And in cars and automobiles, we can find hydraulic handbrakes and hydraulic lifts. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my model, the hydraulic arm.
Hello everyone, I am Aishi from grade 7. I have made a project on math that describes about the angles and the sum of the angles of a polygon. A polygon is a 3 or more than 3-sided shape and a closed figure. For example, you can take square. A square has interior angles 90 degree. The 90 degree angles, if you add the sum of that, we will get 360 degree. The diagonals bisect at 90 degree. For example, we can take it as, so if we add the sum, we will get 360 degree. The consecutive interior and the exterior angle are supplementary. Likewise, you will be able to make all other shapes. I am very glad that I learned all this by making this project. I am proud to be an Olivian. Thank you.
I am delighted to be here and part of the project. It is part of the fest, and my daughter is studying in the Olive Public School from the class 1, and the school encouraged the science, nature, the inclusivity of the mind. They encourage to take the project, and it is one of the best schools in the locality.
Hi, I am Aparna, mom of Srijit and Shrishti. I am in Olive from grade 1 and it is like 6 years. And today the science and the maths project, what they did is like first standard kid to 10th standard kid. It's very awesome. And Olive is always like a treasure box and they bring with the new ideas. And it's like kids are exploring new things. Thank you.
I'm Venkat Raman from Sri Saram Engineering College.
Hello, myself Soma Sundaraman from Sri Saram Engineering College.
And today we are at Olive Public School, and I am presenting my drone project instead of a drone team.
And I'm presenting my AR/VR project, and we also have our AR documentation as well. So basically, we are now presenting in Olive Public School. So we are amazed by the project experienced by all those students, because we didn't experience all this in our younger age, but students in this age are now doing more activities. Say for example, now 100+ projects are being displayed by the students from first standard itself. So students are now exploring more things, and by the same way, when we come to explore these projects here, so students can now get an idea about what is augmented reality, what is virtual reality, how will be the future for those students and all. So basically, all these parents and teachers are coming here and seeing our projects so that they can get an idea about how technology is changing in the future.
Hi, I'm Gay Mahanur Nasimarao from grade 8A, and this is my project known as the space rocket. Now, I made this with a pipe, and I'm going to explain to you about the rocket. So, this is the payload system, guidance system, fuselage, and the weight system. So, these are the wings and engines. So, I'm going to talk to you about the ISRO history and about the people who are astronauts and their greatest achievements. ISRO had a great history. It was also known as INSCOPAR, Indian Space Committee of Research Organization, and it was established by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1962. It was then changed to ISRO in 1969, Indian Space Research Organization. Now I'm going to talk about their achievements, the satellite's achievements. I'm going to talk about Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan was sent to the space to see the space and moon, and it was launched for 312 days, and it lost connections. Though it was already failure, but it was known as a success. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shreyas. Today I'm going to talk about a drone. It's a homemade drone. We have made it with a flight controller, receiver, and ESCs. Here the flight controller plays a main role. Flight controller is the brain of the drone. Flight controller is connected to the 4 ESCs. The ESCs convert PWM signal. Flight controller gives PWM signals to the ESCs. ESC convert the PWM signals into bigger signals like WPM signals as large signals and give it to the motor. The motor acts as and rotates in clockwise and anti-clockwise. Two motors clockwise and 2 motors anti-clockwise. Okay, the transmitter gives signals to the receiver. Before that, we have to bind the transmitter and receiver. For the receiver to enter in binding mode, we have to short circuit the ground plus positive terminals of the receiver, and we have to enter the binding mode by clicking the button in transmitter. Okay, thank you. That's how our drone flies. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi Prasanna here to show you the project of automatic street light. Photocells detect if light is needed. Photocells are light sensitive sensors that respond to the amount of light detected. When the light is too low, such as at the dusk or under the heavy overcast skies, the sensor tells the computing unit within the street light to activate the flow of electricity. If the darkness rises to a certain level, the sensor circuit gets activated and switches on. And if there is a source of light, that is daytime, the street light gets off. As conclusion, around 71 to 88% of reduction in street light can be achieved through this process of automatic street lighting system. I thank my management and my teachers to give me a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.